Bucket of Jack game for my grandson. Made in Unity with C#. Little logo in the front. Jack in a bucket with a cat. Okay, so it starts out like this, outside of his house. If he gets water, he goes faster. Supercharged at the top. That's Jack's house. You can go inside. Plays music. You can grab water, gifts, and get points. He's got to go through and find as many gifts as he can. He doesn't have to find them all, but he gets more points. Up top in the middle is supercharged. Okay. Now he has to catch the cats. So on the top right is the things he has to get to beat the game. And get as many points as he can. His cats are around his house.
Bingo.
So he has all 3 cats right now. So you got to get the journals, Lizzie, Hopper, Map, Beach Chair, Donut, and Pancakes. The sheds, he can go into the sheds. There's a teleportal. And it teleports him somewhere else. Now, one of his favorite cartoons is Mystery Shack. That's where the journals are at. I went back outside. He's got to find the 3 journals. I happen to know where everything is, so.
What are you doing with my journal? What are you doing with my journal?
I believe in you, Goober.
So I got all 3 journals. And he can fight Rumbles Mixed Skirmish. Since he's into karate and has his belt now. It's one of his favorite characters, Seuss. Like I said, as he goes through, he can gain points.
Dan, you didn't tell me there were children down here. And some sort of large, hairless gopher?
Now, each of these things could be animated if I took the time to animate them.
And here we have rock that looks like a face rock. The rock that looks like a face.
Aw, Jack, did you pootsa?
Teleport back to his house. Our house.
My Deuteronomy.
My Deuteronomy.
You caught Lizzie.
In his school. This is like 2D, a little bit of 2.5D. It's not that much harder to make 3D, so once I get down how to do this, I'm going to do 3D stuff.
You found the map.
So you need Hopper, the beach chair, donuts, and pancakes. And there's a mini map. When he gets the map, there's a mini map. But I'm going the wrong way. And his Pap's house. And when he goes to his Pap's house, he likes bananas, Nutella, and pickles. Hopefully not all in the same time. I notice there's a little bit of artifacts in here. And I think that's just the way the tile map is. I probably needed to do that a little bit better. Now you see he run out of supercharge, so he's going slower. Another one of his favorites, Big City Greens.
Oh my gosh, he looks like a prettier me.
Oh.
So, we got the pancakes and the donuts.
Never trust a cricket scheme.
Now, I didn't have to get them. I just did it for more points. So we need a beach chair and hopper. Go up to Minnie's house.
Cookie!
Minnie makes the best dang cookies, although he didn't say dang.
Cookie!
Bye. Here to rub.
Cookie!
So, we need
Bye. Here to
hopper and a beach chair.
You caught Hopper.
So the only thing we need is the beach chair. And again, since I made the game, I know where everything is. He has to look for it. And I can expand this easily. I can put other buildings, more maps, a lot of stuff. Real easy. Now, once I get the beach chair, the controller will vibrate like crazy. That's how he knows he won. So right now, it's vibrating. And it comes up and it says it's won. Now he can put in his name. And keep score. I don't have a save game in here. I might do that. There is a way I can pause it. There's buttons to pause the game if need be. Then it records the score. The scores will be recorded in here. I'm the way I did it. I didn't put it in with this version, and if he wants to play it again, he just presses the right bumper, and the game starts all over.